Hi guys, welcome to our channel LAMP, Learn as much possible. In this session, we are going to see type inference system in Kotlin. If you ask us if this is the one of the best feature in Kotlin, let's see into deep into that, and then we'll check how it's different from Java as well as Kotlin. In Java, generally we define that type in front of the every variables like a string, and then along with that value also we can define. Same for integer, long, double, float, all those things. But in Kotlin, generally we used two different variables to define the values. One is val, another one is var. In if you know the value of the string or the number, you can directly define as equal to and then string and then number value. Suppose in case if you do not know what is that value when you are going to exact value, I mean that value like I am a string 55, not a time. If you do not know the value, you can set it as a string, because then only the compiler will understand in future a string is going to be set for used for string value, integer same as integer, a double is going to be used for double value. Then only the compiler will understand. Likewise it will cover. And then you can set the values like this, double for one. If you set any value in double dot decimal values, it automatically taken as double. If you set a value along with the f, it will convert as a float in the Kotlin. And then if you set any value with capital L, it is taken as a long value. Same as integer, you know that the length of integers. Yeah. In Kotlin, you can't able to assign different type of values like what example I showed on you. If you try to assign an integer value in long, it won't allow. It give you the error message. If you want in any situation, if you want to do that, you have to convert that value to too long. Like this, I can assign a value 12 in integer. After that, I assign the an int in long, but this time I convert to long. Then Kotlin will agree to continue with this value. Next, we are going to see one of the craziest feature in Kotlin. Let's see. Numbers in between underscores. In Kotlin, for the user's understanding, we can use underscore in between the very long numbers. For example, I used two variables here. Two variables have same values. Only difference is if I see a long number, I can easily differentiate that numbers. The triple one, triple two, triple three. But if I saw the same number, I can able to read 111, 2222, and then 33. You can't able to recognize the number immediately. So in Kotlin, they have the feature like use the underscore between the numbers to differentiate the length. And the same time, I print the value. The values are same, but the for eyesighting, it's different in UI. That's one of the main feature in Kotlin. Yeah, and in bytes, Kotlin we can use byte also. Generally, bytes will accept minus 122 plus 127. It won't allow you to add one more value. For example, I set 127 in top. It didn't give any error message. I try to add 128. It give byte value will never used, because it's to beyond the byte, because the byte in between minus 122 plus 127. That's the reason automatically Kotlin will give you the error message. I hope you guys understand type inference. If you have any doubts, please comment me on the below bottom box. Thanks for watching us. Subscribe our channel